Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'll be using this net to make my ponytail. I got the net from Amazon. I'll link the product in my description box. So here I'm just using a T-pin to secure the net on the mannequin head so that it's not going to be coming out when I'm making the weave. So here, this is the same hair I used for my headband wig video. I had like one bundle remaining, so I want to use it to make a ponytail that has the same texture as my natural hair. So I folded the hair into two, and I'm just going to, first of all attach the needle on the hair just to secure it first, and then I'm going to sew it down on the hair net. So what I'm doing is I'm just sewing the hair on the net from one end to the other, just like back and forth, back and forth. That is all I'm doing. It's quite simple. Just follow the step and you're going to get it. I started by folding the hair into two, but at some point I wasn't sure if I'm going to have enough hair to finish the ponytail, so I didn't fold the hair into two all through the sewing process. I was managing the hair that I have, and I was lucky because the texture of this hair is kinky, so it's full, and the ponytail turned out great. If you have enough hair, you can fold your hair all through. Like I said, this is an old hair. I just love the texture of the hair. It looks like my natural hair. I didn't want the hair to be sitting on my closet. I wanted to put it into good use. So I made a ponytail with it. So I have a ponytail and a headband wig with the same hair. That is so awesome. Now let's talk about the giveaway. This giveaway is in collaboration with Benefit Days 2. So we are going to be giving out a $50 Sephora gift card. All you have to do is follow Benefits Deals 2 and Winnie's Fashion on Instagram. Make sure you are subscribed to my YouTube channel and comment on this video and on Benefit Deals 2 Instagram. That's how we're going to know who is interested in the giveaway. We're going to get it from the comment section. So if you are not following Benefit This on Instagram, you are missing out, girl. She's always doing giveaways. You can find great deals on products and even free stuff. So follow her on Instagram so you don't miss out. I'm going to be listing the instruction in my description box. So check it out. Here I'm just finishing up with the last track, and I'm going to sew two combs on the ponytail. That will help me install the ponytail. I'm applying my leave-in conditioner and water on a freshly washed and detangled hair, and I'm going to be using Eco Styler gel to slick my hair down. Oh boy, my hair is really full. I use plenty of gel to slick my hair down. I don't like using plenty gel on my hair, but for me to slick my short hair down, I don't have any other option at this point than to use plenty gel. I did another hairstyle with this ponytail hair. I did not use gel with the hairstyle because I can pull my hair up. I just use water and leave-in conditioner and some edge control on my edges. By the way, this is the previous video. Please go and watch it after watching this one. This is a low ponytail, so I needed to slick my hair down, and this gel is helping me do that. So I tied my hair with a scarf so that my hair can be intact by the next day. This is the next morning. My hair is not completely dry, but we're going to work with what we have. So here we have it. This is the finished product. You see that the ponytail hair is really full and mimics my natural hair. I attached two combs and that will help me install it to my hair. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, share this video with your friends and family. Don't forget to enter for the giveaway for a chance to win a $50 gift card. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.